Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in here, I'm going to show you how you can create scrolling text in CapCut PC. So if you guys want to make professional looking movie credits, a new sticker, or a cool scrolling lyric video, here I'm going to show you the easiest way to make your text move across the screen in CapCut PC. So first you can just add your text layer. So just you can put on the video or the background and just go to text and just write your text in here. I think I'm going to just go with lyrics for the text. So just put your text here. You can adjust the font size, the font type in here, and also the alignment if needed. And now I'm going to adjust the durations to around 10 seconds like this. So what you need to do next is just move the text to the bottom. I'm going to just go here, and now you can add keyframes in here under the basic. You can just scroll down and you'll find the transform option. So just add the keyframes in here at the start, and I'm going to go to the middle of the text in 4 or 5 seconds, and I'm going to move the text up like this. Now move the playhead again, then move your text again like this, so the new keyframes will be automatically added. You can review the results first. If it's too fast or too slow, you can adjust the position of the keyframes on the text. So this is how it will look like. So that's pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.